Just want to give some feedback on a wicking bed that I set up about a year ago. I've grown quite a few crops in there and it's going really well. So I thought I'd just show you the setup again and show you how it's doing. So if you look at the video above the screen at the moment, that's how I set up this wicking bed, just to remind you what it looks like. But it's done really well, getting a tremendous crop out of there. That's my little worm farm, and I've found a lot of earthworms in here now, so that worm farm's working well. I chuck scrap leaves and things in the top there to feed the worms. And then this is my filling pipe here. What I've done here is got a pipe off my automatic irrigation system to feed water into the wicking bed on a regular basis. And if you look what we've got in there at the moment, some of the stuff's going off now. We've got some cannonball squashes, had a big crop of them, and then we've got a tomato plant that's turned into a monster. Had a lot of tomatoes off it already. It seems to be going off now. And then all the other things, I've got some green peppers there, capsicum, and some beetroot. They're just about ready for picking now. So everything's going really well. So I thought I'd just catch up with you on that one. I just wanted to run through with you my basic design and the basic theory of wicking beds. First of all, you've got to have a container, and that container can either be waterproof or you can just make it out of wood or something. But if it's not waterproof, then you need to line it on the inside with some waterproof plastic material. Then the next thing you put in is your filler pipe, which is 50mm PVC pipe coming down, and it connects onto a 50mm corrugated irrigation pipe, which has got little slits in it and allows water to flow out all the way along. And the reason for that is just so that you get an even flow in of water when you're filling your wicking bed. Then above that you have a gravel layer. The reason you have a gravel layer is to keep spaces open for water to flow in. And between the gravel layer and the soil you have what we call a geofabric, and that separates the soil from the water, so the soil can't go in amongst the gravel particles and occupy the space that's supposed to be there for water. Then just under your geofabric is your overflow pipe, so that when you filled it with water to that point, it starts overflowing and you know that you're up to that level. Then above that, obviously the soil, and the theory is that the soil has a capillary action of its own, and it can pull the water up towards the roots of the plants. And then what I'm going to do with mine is I'm going to have a 100mm PVC pipe with some holes drilled in it that I'll chuck my vegetable peelings from the kitchen in, and that'll be a worm feeder for earthworms, which do a really good job of aerating the soil and keeping it healthy and keeping it nutritious for the plants. Now, if you found this useful, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any comments or questions, we'd love to hear from you. Just scroll right down to the bottom and you'll find the comments section there. Thank you very much for watching.